This is one of the coolest demos I've done in months. I'm gonna take a simple photo and use AI to turn it into music. And you gotta stick around to the B-side because I'll do the same thing with a picture of my dogs. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. This is my weekly Wednesday tech demo, and I think this is gonna be a whole lot of fun. Brand new feature inside Google Gemini lets you take a photo and create a 30-second song, and it creates album art to go along with it. So you can use the free version of Gemini. Hopefully you can follow along with me. I want to get right into it, and I'm going to do this on my Google Android phone. You can do this on an iPhone. You can do it on your desktop if you want. You just have to go to Google Gemini, whether it's the app or gemini.google.com. So I will select the Google Gemini app and load it up, and you'll notice one of the first things that comes up now on the main screen when it says what's on your mind today is it gives you an option that says create music. That's where we're going to dive in, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do this with a photo. So select create music. It gives you a whole bunch of different styles to pick from, and some of these are new actually since they first launched this, so they're continuing to add more. Let's pick one out here for our demonstration. Because this is tech it before you wreck it, I'm going to pick 90s rap, and you'll notice now it adds that style to the prompt. And then what I want to do is hit the plus sign because I'm going to add an image to this prompt as well. So hit plus, hit gallery, and in this case I have a picture that is a picture of me sitting here at this setup as you see me right now. So you can describe your track. You can add more details. You can give it kind of an idea of what style you want. You can say make sure you include certain things in the track. I'm going to leave this blank because I want to see what it does when I don't put anything in, just the picture as my only prompt. So hit the send button. This is going to take about 30 seconds to a minute, and it's going to produce a 30-second track. Okay, this is cool. So not only did it create a song, but it actually created some album art for me too. And you can see the screen says I've crafted a 90s East Coast boom bap track for you featuring those dusty break beats and a gritty, confident flow. It's all set, ready for you to listen to right here in the chat. I love that album art, Concrete Chronicles. It even came up with a name, I guess. So let's take a quick listen together and see what this sounds like.
Yeah, right. Check the mic, 1, 2, Crimson hoodie pulled tight, pen and truth in the night. Gray hairs on the temple, but the mind is still bright. That purple haze in the background, yeah, it ain't nothing but vibes. Dropping concrete chronicles that define how we rise. This black mic is my weapon, the cypher's where I live. Got that authentic boom bap message I gotta give. So let the beat loop, word up, peace to the architects. Keeping the vision crystal clear through the complex. Yeah, right.
Let me pause that. So it mentioned the hoodie, it mentioned my gray hair, but my mind still being bright, the purple haze in the background. How cool is that? Okay, now here's a little hack. I want to massage this a little bit, but what I've noticed is that if you try to massage it and add a new prompt inside this chat window, in my experience, it doesn't always do a good job. So what I want to do is create a new chat, start all over, and this time I'm going to kind of do the same process. I'll hit create music, I'll select 90s rap. I'm going to add that exact same photo from my gallery here on my phone, and then I'm going to type in a prompt in addition to doing this over. And in this case, I'm saying, make sure you mention my name, Kirk, and that I'm 45 and my 46th birthday is coming up in a few days. Mention Colorado, and that I'm from the streets of Buffalo originally. I'm not really from the streets necessarily, but you know, I'm from Buffalo, and this is a 90s rap song, so we got to kick it up a notch. So now I've done the same thing I did the first time, but just adding that prompt with some additional information. Let's see what it does. Okay, now since we started all over, we also got some new album art, which is kind of cool. It says 46 winters built on Buffalo concrete, traded blizzards for the peaks. The legacy is building. See, I feel like when you give it a little bit more information, it can do more with that. It says, I've created the track for you. It features classic 90s East Coast boom bap sound with gritty break beats and a smooth jazz inflected bass line to celebrate your upcoming 46th birthday. The lyrics give a shout out to your journey from the streets of Buffalo to your current life in Colorado, keeping that high energy, confident flow. So let's take a quick listen to see what it created this time.
Yeah, 45 winters deep. Yo, this one's for Kirk, built on Buffalo concrete. Learned a whole cipher where the hustle never sleeps. Now it's Colorado landscapes, traded blizzards for the peaks. Still the same foundation, got that fire in my soul. 46 coming fast, yeah, I'm taking back control. Got that fresh state of mind, yeah, the story ain't done. Word. A whole new chapter about to open. Word up, son, yo, this the legacy I'm building, one sunrise at a time. Fresh, 46, that's the grind, yeah. Still holding it down, word.
Still holding it down. How fun is that? So cool. You can see it integrated all the stuff that I mentioned, and I love that it says trading blizzards for the peaks. How fun. I didn't create that. Gemini did. Very, very cool. Okay, now what you guys have been waiting for, we're going to use dog photos to create a song. So take a look at this. Okay, so I'm going to create new chat. I'm going to create music once again. This time I'll pick a little bit of a different version here. Let's do 8-bit and see what that's all about. And again, I'm going to add a photo. I'll go to gallery. I've got a picture of my 2 dogs. This time I'm going to give it some information initially. I'm not going to do it with just a photo. I do feel like if you feed a little information, it helps out. So I'll mention my dog's names here. So I'm simply going to put in here the golden doodle is Winnie and the whippet is Pistachio and see what it does from there. I'll hit send, give it about a minute. Okay, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. First of all, look at the album art. You've got my golden doodle there with the antlers on. If you notice that she had those antlers in the original picture. You've got the whippet there on the right. Power up pause. I've composed a high energy 8-bit chiptune track featuring Winnie the golden doodle and Pistachio the whippet. So let's take a listen to this.
I'm Winnie with the shaggy fur, a pixelated golden blur. I'm Pistachio, sleek and fast, a perfect power up that lasts. With reindeer antlers for a quest, we're the champions, we're the best. Pixel pups, let's go, go, go! Pixel pups, it's our show!
Pixel Pups, it's our show. Kind of fun. Again, provide a little bit more information, maybe mention some things about their personality, and then it'll do more with that. And remember, if you want to expand on that song, just like we did before, I think the best bet is to come back to the beginning and start all over instead of trying to massage inside that prompt window. So start over, create music. We'll pick a style. In this case, I'm going to pick R&B romance. That seems like it'd be fun. I'm going to add that same photo of my dogs, and I'll add an additional prompt this time too. I typed in the golden doodle is Winnie, she is cuddly and very lazy. The whippet is Pistachio and he is high energy but very loyal. I'll send that. All right, the R&B romance song about my dogs. Take a look at the new album art cover, My Quiet and My Fire. Let's take a listen.
Winnie, my cuddly queen, you're always laid back and so lazy. Ooh, got them reindeer antlers on, looking oh so amazing. Pistachio, my high energy king with your bright red collar on. You hold it down for me, keeping me safe all night long. You're my chill and my thrill, my quiet and my fire. You're my everything, fulfilling my every desire. It's a comical romance, our love's a masterpiece. Yeah, our love is a masterpiece. Ooh, slow down, yeah.
Even Boys to Men are proud of that. You're my chill and my thrill, my quiet and my fire. How much fun is it to play with this tool with pictures of your pets, your family, all kinds of stuff? I thought that was a whole lot of fun. I was kind of impressed with the results. And again, if you use a prompt in addition to the photo, I think it does a better job. So do me a favor, comment below. Let me know what kind of results you got, if you were impressed with it. If you've got any tips or tricks that you've done to create a better song, I'd love to hear that in the comments. I read every single one. And do me a huge favor, because I post a tech demo every Wednesday here on the channel. So subscribe to my channel. It'll make sure that you see my new videos, but it also helps me grow here on YouTube. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.